Hello, my name is Waiswa Isaac, a teacher at Balauli Secondary School in Kamuli district, and I teach physics. Today I will explain to you the DigCompEdu model. This is a European framework of reference for digital competencies of teachers, and it maps out 6 important areas where you and I as teachers can grow. Each area shows how technology can support us in good teaching and learning step by step. The different areas include professional engagement, where using digital tools can help us to grow as teachers and connect with others. For example, a teacher in one region, for example Busoga, can join a WhatsApp group of innovation of other teachers and exchange ideas and learn new skills. Number 2, digital resources. Finding, creating, and sharing digital learning materials. For example, a teacher in Adjumani uses videos and interactive slides to make lessons more engaging. Number 3, teaching and learning. Using technology to make lessons more active and effective. When digital tools are used, the lessons are more interactive and achieving the learning outcomes becomes more effective. For example, a teacher in Rwenzori encourages a teacher to use Kahoot in the ICT lab to create short quizzes for deep learning. Number 4, assessment. Using digital tools to check what students have understood and also what they have not understood. For example, a teacher in West Nile uses Google Forms to create a simple quiz to check if students understood the topic. Number 5, empowering learners, and that is helping students to take charge of their own learning through digital tools. An example is a teacher in Kamuli showing learners how to search for reliable information online and think critically about what they find on the internet. And lastly, facilitating students' digital competence, teaching students how to use digital tools for learning and life. These digital tools will also be found in the field of work. When the learners have finished school, they will already have the skills they need to work with these digital tools. Thank you for listening to this recording and enjoy applying it into practice. Yo.